This is my before, and this is my after. This is gonna take me 3 minutes, so if your hair is worth it, then simply continue watching. Okay, first things first, I Papa freaks all the honey. Okay, no. You cannot repair damaged hair. What you can do is preserve it. This was my hair just a couple of weeks ago.
Wow.
I freaked it up. So I got myself an amino acid treatment, cut my hair 4 inches, and living my best life. Have a brand new routine, and here I am today, about to show you. So after we had a long, sweaty week, gaining more bacteria, salt, buildup, funk, and then when our wash day comes, what do? Co-wash day. Sounds familiar? Yeah, when you co-wash, the moisturizing agents are just simply coating your hair strands. They're not really penetrating. And sister, you're not cleaning anything, boo-boo. Oh, and if your hair is damaged, the moisture is gonna come in, then right out, just like a manhole. And that's because the cuticles on damaged hair is just messed up. You know what I mean? We kind of freaked it up. So the first step. Let's unclog our hair follicles so they can remain healthy. Let's remove all that dirt and buildup. This is the reason why I clarify my hair. Let's get it cleaned first. So yeah, you got me. This video might be more than 3 minutes, but like I said, if you care about your hair, then you'll continue watching. If you just want that quick information, something that's gonna work for you temporarily and then makes your hair worse later on, you could watch another video. I'm here to educate you, and that's my main goal. So let's get something clear first. Everybody's hair is different. I don't care if you're like, oh, that's my hair twin, my 4A hair twin. Girl, it's still different. I promise you, all hair is different. And you have to listen to your hair to know and feel what it needs. With that being said, this is just the foundation. I hope that you customize it to suit your hair. Okay, the next step is to use a moisturizing shampoo. Now that we have a clean canvas to work on, let's add some moisture back in. I use GS by Sedora Hair Restoration Shampoo because it has a lot of moisturizing agents, and not only that, this shampoo was designed to detangle your hair from jump. So your hair will be detangled from the very beginning, not when it's just time to apply your conditioner. So not only does this shampoo moisturize and detangle your hair, it helps repair and restore your hair follicles so your hair can start growing again. Do you hear what I'm saying? This is not your regular Target, Walmart shampoo. So please don't compare, it's kind of disrespectful. So this is where your deep conditioner comes in. I'm using GS by Sedora Hair Restoration Conditioner. Do you see this consistency? I wanted that junk to be thick, you hear me? But at the same time, it does not weigh your hair down. I wanted the molecules to be small enough to penetrate the hair shaft and not just sit on top. So not only does it moisturize your hair from the inside out, but its primary function is to accelerate your hair growth. I got something to say. I can't. I've been there. I've been in a place where I was just so fucking lost and confused and nothing went right. I'm talking beyond hair. I'm talking about life, period. So if I can take at least one burden off your shoulders, then that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Because I know that when there was one thing that was going right for me in life, I cherished that so much, and that gave me so much damn hope. I just want to give people hope. Like, if you could do this and accomplish this and be successful at it, you can upgrade any part of your life. And this is exactly why I developed this line. I've been there. I suffered from hair loss. I suffered from hair breakage. Right now I'm suffering from heat damage. You know what I mean? And I'll explain that later on in this video. I'm not coming on here with the perfect head of hair. I'm coming on YouTube with solutions to real hair issues, period. Okay, so let's review. First step is to clarify your hair, especially if you have product buildup or if you work out a lot. Next step is to use a moisturizing shampoo. Then deep conditioner for 15 to 20 minutes. Now this. So I like to do an ACV rinse. For those of you that don't know what that is an apple cider vinegar rinse. Make sure to dilute it a lot because it's very acidic. This will help trap the moisture inside your hair shaft by closing your hair's cuticles. So that was the final step before I silk press my hair. Now, if you're interested in the shampoo and conditioner, it will be available at the end of this month. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Okay, now for this sexy ass heat damage. The reason why the heat damage was caused is because I was not using any form of heat protection, number one. And number two, all my irons and blow dryers were in extremely high heat. So my new routine for silk presses is number one, I like to use a leave-in conditioner, water-based leave-in conditioner. After that, I use a serum that further coats and protects my hair, and then I use my heat protectant. I also like to let my hair air dry about 90%, and then I will blow dry my hair on a medium heat. If it's too hot for the back of my wrist, then it's too hot for my hair. That's my rule. Every time I do this entire hair routine, I lose about 3 to 4 strands. I kid you not. So that's how I know that my hair loves it. And like I said, pick what you want from the routine. For silk presses, try to stay away from creams because that tends to weigh down your hair. Your appliances do matter a lot. For my blow dryer, I use a Turbo 3800, I think it is. And for this iron, it's called Soleil, I think. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, so you'll get everything. So check out the description box before you leave a comment, please. And that is the end of my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment box below. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.